to do quality content. Examples.
She did. I seen some of the examples, and I noticed that it's not just like you said.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanna LaGale. For anybody who's new here, welcome. And I am back with another vlog. What's today? Today is Friday, January the 28th. And I'm not at work. I took off of work. My sister wanted me to come to the Houston area to go to an event with her, and I'm like procrastinating. She really wanted me to come because she was like, I'll even drive down there to pick you up and bring you back the next day. So I'm just like, that's really too much. But anyways, y'all, what y'all seen at the beginning of this vlog, I am so excited. Like, I just see that my blessings are coming. That I was doing, it was a Zoom interview call with a company who manages different companies, and they pay you for content. So I was very excited to be chosen for that interview, and the interview went really well. I'm still a rookie, I'm still learning, but like, y'all, doors are opening up, and I'm so excited. And I'm so glad for everybody who watches me now. Y'all gonna be able to see me grow and see, like, you know, how much I evolved and all of that. But anyways, y'all, I'm sitting up here walking in circles because I'm trying to decide. I didn't want to drive my Jeep down there and back. Then she was like, if I drove halfway, she would just pick me up because we are coming back tomorrow. We probably attend this event here in Dallas, but I'm like, dang, and I really don't feel like driving. At first I would go take the kids with me, but I went on to let them go to school because I'm in the air. I know I had to do this interview, but I'm in the air about what I wanted to do. So now I'm just like, well, I'm not gonna take the kids. My aunt is gonna come over and keep them for me until in the morning when I get back. I'm just kind of like, what do I need to do? Do I need to go on and drive? Because I need to head out now. The event is tonight. So I'm like, do I go on and drive? What I want to do? But I'm thinking, y'all, I'm finna live on the edge a little bit. I think I'm finna catch a flight. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm gonna wear to the airport. Okay. So I'm wearing this Skims bodysuit. What color is this? Dang, I almost remember what color this was. It's not cypress. I don't know. Whatever color this is, I'll leave in the description. I'm having a brain fart. And I don't know how because I always know what color this is. But anyways, I'm wearing this Skims bodysuit with these Skims leggings. This jacket I have on is also Skims. It's the Skims track jacket. So I'm probably just going to zip it up, you know, when I get there. Just so I can have some sleeves on my arms. This is the short sleeves bodysuit. And I'm going to wear... I don't know if I'm gonna keep these sunglasses on, but I have my sunglasses on, and they came from, I think they came from AliExpress. And they just some regular square sunglasses. And I'm wearing my Yeezy foam runners. And yeah, this is what I'm finna wear. I need to hurry up and book my lift. Let's see. Am I giving body? Body? Yeah, I got to lose some weight though. I be giving body, but it's uncomfortable body. I got to slim up this body so I can be fine. But anyways, y'all, let me go. I really wasted a lot of time. I'm just gonna grab this bag.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me.
Okay, y'all, so I got my Starbucks. I ended up getting it from the airport. I feel like it's safe. I hope y'all can hear me. But I played it safe, and I got it from the airport. So now, I need to charge my phone as usual. I'm headed to my terminal to wait. So I have to go. finna try this swab.
Number 3 is now open to board flight 435.
This is some sriracha.
Report this time. All
It's
party
good.
line can now
I'm glad I got
board.
the sriracha though, because it's kind of plain.
Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up.
800 series aircraft. Upon the conclusion of the safety presentation, flight attendants will be available to assist you with any seat-related questions which you may have. Thank you for your attention, and we're glad you're here.
Okay, y'all, so I just touched down in Houston.
What?
My sister picked me up. She on the phone though. Okay, so let the fun begin, because this whole thing
My fingers.
didn't go smoothly.
No, what's wrong with my finger?
I left my 2 belts, my 2 Western belts at home.
Well, I
wanted to catch the 12:44 flight and didn't.
Yeah.
And I just seen a
That's how
rapper
you call
on the
charging somebody
plane.
up.
And I need to start riding first
You call me
class,
charging me
because
up?
I could have gave him the eye. But anyways, like, I guess I don't know where we headed to. We just have to get out this airport first. Yeah, I guess I didn't
Well,
get
at
a
home?
drink. Preferably Aldi wine, but we're finna see. Ella, I don't even know what kind they have. Oh man, they got 1 bottle in here. I'm finna run and get it before she do. Girl, you so crazy.
That's all they got.
Yeah, they have chocolate. Okay, y'all, so we got our wine. Yay! Now we can drink. Hold on, Mickey. I'm finna scan our receipts, because my sister told me she don't scan her receipts no more. But y'all know that's how I got my free Starbucks today and the other day.
How many with your receipt stuff?
Yeah, I had
I
got
got
some.
like 15,000
You
points.
can get a $10 gift card to something you want to.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
10,000 points equals $10.
Oh, okay.
So, y'all, if y'all ain't signed up yet, I'm gonna leave my referral code on the screen, and y'all can use that if y'all want to and get y'all some free points. But y'all know I'm vlogging from my phone, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all later, because I'm finna scan my receipts. Y'all, I had fun catching flights by myself. And look, I don't know, do y'all watch Gina? If y'all watch Gina Janine, watch her. Watch that podcast from Poor Horseman that she's on. She be dropping gems. So, when I was on the plane, hold on, let me go in here because of the music. When I was on the plane, as I was telling y'all, I seen a rapper, right? So, I knew he was a rapper because, like, kid me now, y'all, I'm a shy, quiet person. You know, what you see is what you get with me. I'm down to earth and all of that. But for some reason, I attract boss niggas. And I'm like, I ain't gonna say what they see in me. But I was just telling my sister, I just need to step my game up so that I'm more confident. Because they obviously see something in me. Now I'm drinking my Aldi wine. But anyways, but I ain't saying like he did or nothing, but I'm just saying in general. So I can recognize one. That's what I'm trying to get to. I can recognize a boss nigga, a dude with money, you know, somebody who. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try what Gina said on her podcast. So I looked them up or whatever. I saw like his pictures on Instagram. Bam, 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 bam. Then I followed him. About 30 minutes later, he followed me back. And then he liked my pictures. Y'all want to see my sister?
Gina. I know you was
But yeah, and then he liked my pictures. And now, I ain't do nothing else. But it worked, y'all. It worked. So y'all look at that. Look at that podcast and write it down. Okay, y'all. So we just made it to where we going. I'm freezing. freezing. I'm cold. I'm sleepy. I ain't get to show y'all what I had on. But look at my sister. Good morning, y'all. I just washed my face and see how shiny look. I put some of my face cream on there and some vitamin E oil. Ooh, I look rough. No, I don't want nothing right now. Okay. I'm finna get ready to head back to Dallas. I'm gonna cut this. You see my sideburns be going long. Oh, I hate that. I might as well should do my whole face. Okay, y'all. So here come the motorcycle boys. We headed back to Dallas, and then we're gonna go to this motorcycle thing with my uncle and a couple more friends of the family. They headed to Dallas to the motorcycle thing, and we finna record them. Ooh, y'all, it's warm up in this car. Well, it's loud. Yeah, I'll make it a minute. Y'all, we got the biker boys, behind us. Let's see if y'all can see it. Y'all can see them a little bit. So we headed to Dallas, y'all. I really have to get my hair done. I need to get my hair done. What else? I need to find me some boots. And I guess put together an outfit. I don't know. Oh yeah, and get my nails done so I can see if my I want to get them white, but sometimes when I get my nails white and I do my hair, that hair is not new, but sometimes they like get like a film over it and they don't be as white no more. So I like to try to do my hair first and then get my nails done. I mean, maybe I shouldn't even get them white either because one of them kids gonna need their hair done soon too. So you know, do no good. But anyways, y'all, hopefully I can get back and get everything done in a decent time so I can hang out with the biker boys and then go to this event tonight. And I know me, if my stuff ain't together, then I probably gonna lose my interest in going. Cause I'll just be like, forget it. But I'm hoping everything pull together, you know, and we go and we have fun. And if I go, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna go though. I was just like, who is this boy? I'm like, who is that riding? Oh, I like your shirt. It says straight out of time out. Ooh, that looks so good.
Shit, I had to get to the
Good morning, y'all. I'm so mad because y'all see I'm back to black. But anyways, I didn't even get to show y'all what I put on last night, which was all black. It was cute. I had on my black heel boots. Y'all will have to see it though. So yeah, I tried something new because I'm always fussing. Hold on. I'm always not clear. I'm always fussing about my leave out. You can see me in the mirror. I'm always fussing about my leave out, so I tried something different. I got a closure, and I installed it. This is sewing. I installed it behind the hairline. Like, all this is my real hair. And that's the closure. And yeah, I was rushing to do my hair because I was running behind yesterday. And I'm glad. I like the way it came out. I don't like how the part is going like this, which that's not really a big concern for me. But because I actually parted this myself so I could fix it. But overall, I like it. I like how it is. It's in place. Shoot. That worked out good. Okay, y'all. So I'm at the tub. I done got dressed. And so we finna get ready to leave. Put on a little bit of perfume. I don't want too much. This is the Florento Almond by BODYSUIT. That's my favorite, really, y'all. It's my favorite. I'm finna show y'all what I put together to wear. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm wearing today. This outfit came from Marshalls. It was recommended by Gina Janine, or she showed it on her channel. But it was recommended by, what's her name? Okay, y'all, so as I was saying, this outfit I seen on Gina Janine page, she had on a green one. And so I ran to Marshalls. She said that she seen it and it was recommended by Dominique A. I watched Dominique A too, y'all. And so it's giving a lot of body. It's a 2-piece set. And I just put it on with this short denim jacket. I really didn't want this blue because I knew I was going to wear a jacket with it. And the blue on blue is like throwing it off. But this is the only one I found at that Marshalls. The day she posted that video, as soon as I got off, I went to Marshalls. And so this is the only color that I found. So I grabbed it so I can try it out. And this was $24.99. And what am I gonna say? Oh, it's a size medium large. And y'all, it stretch a lot. And to me, I probably would want a size down because like I want less cleavage showing in the way the straps made and stuff like that. And then it goes up super duper high. Way high. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Hold on, Jay, you wanna get on there? Sit right.